and a kid were playing in the garden. Dear friend, can we play with these things?
Okay, friend, we can play with them.
Hey, it is rolling very good, my dear friend.
Oh no, it is not rolling, but it slides slowly.
Is it, friend? Shall I try that?
Of course, friend, I will try that. Yes, you are right. It is rolling very good.
Yes, you are also right, friend. It is not rolling. It slides a little only. My dear friends, do you want to know why one of these things is sliding and another is rolling? Then see what is happening in the slide. You can understand the reason easily. Round objects roll on a slide. The nungu is rolling. The ball is rolling. The orange is rolling. The guava is also rolling because these things are round in shape. Flat objects slide on a slide. The book is sliding. The ruler is sliding. The eraser is sliding. The sharpener is also sliding because these things are flat in shape. Both round and flat objects either roll or slide on a slide according to the nature of the object. The ring is rolling because the round shape is on the slide. Now it is sliding because the flat shape is on the slide. The cool drink bottle is sliding because the flat shape is on the slide. Now it is rolling because the round shape is on the slide. The tire is sliding because the flat shape is on the slide. Dear friends, in this position, will the tire roll or slide? The round shape of the tire is on the slide, so it will roll. Am I right, friend? Of course, friend, you are right. By the same way, you have to identify the shape of objects around us and then you have to guess whether they slide or roll.